Hey everyone, whether you are participating in a Bible study in a group or on your own, I like to keep track of some of the highlights of the Bible study, the things that really stand out to me that I'm learning along the way. And I like to do that in my faith planner. I'm currently in a group on Facebook where we are going to be going through the Seamless Bible Study, and I'm really excited about it. It's being led by Heather Kell and her sister. And today I wanted to show you what a week of this Bible study is going to look like in my faith planner. So in this book, there are areas where you can write down your responses, but I really want to have a separate place where I can write things that really stand out to me. Since this is a 5-day-a-week Bible study, I am only going to be leaving space for Monday through Friday and then get a little bit more creative with Saturday and Sunday. On Saturdays in the group, we're going to be discussing what we learned that week in a Facebook Live session. And then on that Sunday of that week, we will be able to watch the videos that correspond with the following week. So I want to make sure that I schedule that in so I don't miss either of those activities. To the right of each date, you'll notice that I placed a Bible study sticker, and I'm writing down the day number, day 1, day 2, etc., and the title of that day's study. In the first section, I reflect upon what I learned and then write something that stood out to me or inspired me. That may mean a quote, bullet point summarizing the main points, a Bible verse. If I'm inspired to pray, then I write down my prayer. I have a section to the right of each day where I write down, how can I put what I learned into action? This is really important to me because it not only helps me to reinforce what I learned, but I also think that living out God's truths is an important part of the spiritual growth process, translating those abstract concepts into tangible actions. I hope this video gave you some ideas for ways that you can use your faith planner. Whether or not you decide to use it for a Bible study, you can keep track of things like verses or takeaway messages from what you learned that day by reading the Bible or in your Bible study. You can keep track of what you need to get done, like completing homework before you have a meeting with your Bible study group, or just write down your prayers each day and write down how you can put what you learned into action. I also have a playlist with several videos on ways that you can use your faith planner, and I'll link that down below for you. If you'd like to see more planner ideas, please check out my Instagram @PersonalizeMyPlanner, and I'll see you next Saturday. Bye!